In the world of IC design and manufacturing, LeftDef and OASIS are the widely adopted standards for file exchange. We're excited to announce that with our 2604 June update release, the i3d Integrator now fully supports importing LeftDef or OASIS files directly as a pin array, treated as a part object. This powerful new capability ensures that importing LeftDef or OASIS yields results consistent with the CSV imports, significantly boosting overall performance and streamlining your workflow. In this video, we will demonstrate the creation of a stacked assembly comprising 4 HBMs and 1 SoC. Specifically, you'll see how the HBM pin arrays are efficiently imported using OASIS, while the SoC components are integrated via LeftDef import. Let's see how it works. First, let's create a new part which we'll name HBM1. There's no need for initial setup, as we will directly import the pin definitions from an OASIS file. Click on the Import OASIS icon. You will then input the respective paths for both the configuration file and the OASIS file. Next, we will add a new instance, which we'll name HBM2, and then copy the contents of HBM1 into it. Now select all the signals and update their net names, replacing any instances prefixed with HBM1 to HBM2. Next, we will repeat these steps for HBM3 and HBM4. Following this, input the precise X and Y coordinates for all HBM devices. With these steps completed, all 4 HBM modules are now fully configured. Next, we will proceed to create a new SoC device and then import the LeftDef pins. Click on the Import LeftDef icon. From there, you will then include all relevant left and def files. Now double-click on the top floor plan. As you can see, the design is now fully configured and prepared for the routing phase.